What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So one of my favorite phones for taking photography and video is the LG G8. It is a gorgeous phone and a very reliable phone when it comes down to video and photography. Well, we got the new kid on the block. We got the Galaxy Note 10 with its 3-camera setup. Can it steal the throne from the LG G8? Let's put it to the test and see what it's all about. So in this video, I'm going to do daytime only. I'm going to do a separate video for nighttime. But in this video, I'm going to do daytime only and see what it's all about. Now, I got the US version of the LG G8 with the 2 cameras. Now, we know that the Galaxy Note 10 has 3 cameras set up, but I only have the 2 cameras set up on the LG G8. But still, let's put it to the test and see which one is King Supreme. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo! And follow me on this journey. Let's go.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
All right, guys, so here it is. I got the LG G8 and I got the Galaxy Note 10. And both devices is great, but the LG G8 is my go-to phone when it comes down to video. Let's go on to see how good the Galaxy Note 10 is. All right, so we're going to break this into a couple of parts here. We're going to talk about focusing, we're going to talk about clarity, and we're going to go in with telephoto lens, wide-angle lens. All right, so let's go and look at the color here. Which one is clearer? Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that plant. All right, look at that. Which one give you the nice, richer colors? This is beautiful. All right, look at that plant. All right, so let's go and test the focusing on both devices. Let's go deep. Which one gonna give you that deep, good focus? Look at that. Both of them doing really good. Woo, look at that. LG G8 looking good. The Galaxy Note 10 looking good. All right, it's focusing. Let's go in. Go out. All right, go in here real deep. Let's go real deep on that focus. Really deep on that focus. Let's come out. All right, so both devices look like they did pretty good, but you be the judge for yourself. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. But looking at the focusing, both of them look like they did a really good job. All right, so another unique feature that came to the Galaxy Note 10 is that stabilization. That smooth stabilization. Now, the LG G8 does have optical image stabilization, but the Galaxy Note 10 has stabilization also. So I'm gonna run and let y'all guys see the stabilization on both devices. So let's run. Boom. All right. So there it is. Stabilization on both devices. You be the judge for yourself which one is smoother. All right. Woo. Very hot day out here today. But yeah, this is how I like to do it. Let's go on and look at the sky. Beautiful. All right, we got the white balance kicking in. All right, so now I have the LG G8, the US version, with only 2 lenses. We got a regular lens and a wide angle lens. The Galaxy Note 10 has 3 lenses. We got the telephoto lens, we got the wide lens and the ultra wide angle lens. So what you're looking at right now is the regular lens on both devices actually. So if I go telephoto lens on the Galaxy Note 10, here's how it look. Real close. Regular lens, ultra wide angle lens. And on the LG G8, since this is a US version, only got 2 lenses, let's go wide angle. So there it is. Got wide angle lens. Now look at the sky. Which one is the best representation of color? Look at that. Look at those colors. You be the judge for yourself. We're looking at that ultra wide angle lens on both devices. All right. Let's go back in, regular lens, and boom, there it is. Let's go to the walk. All right. Boom. Let's get that tree in there real quick. Look at the details of that tree. You be the judge for yourself. Look at that tree. Go real close on it. All right. Boom, there it is. So this is the cameras on the LG G8 and the Galaxy Note 10.
Dantana.
All right, y'all, so this is the front-facing camera on the LG G8 and the Galaxy Note 10. I want y'all guys to see this. Yes, I'm out here sweating, working hard for you guys, trying to make the best videos possible on YouTube, right? So I'm out here every day, all day, just to make sure y'all guys get full coverage of everything in between. Now, you see the white balance kicking in a little bit on the LG G8. Now, look at the Galaxy Note 10, got the background completely white. I mean, the LG G8 got the same thing going on. So, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Which one has the better details? You be the judge for yourself. And listen, man, I wiped the camera lens on both devices, so it's no excuses. No excuses about dirty camera lenses and stuff like that. Nah, listen, I've been doing this for a long time, so no excuses on dirty camera lenses, not here on this YouTube channel. But you be the judge for yourself. As I'm walking here, hot, sweating, out here in the hot sunlight, daytime, and it's daytime only. And I'm going to do a dedicated nighttime video for all these phones that I have. So you be the judge for yourself. Be on the lookout. Subscribe. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 10 and the LG G8. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Whew.